I didn't see y'all there, guys. Welcome to a new video. Today's video is me showing y'all my new house. It's been crazy ride, and I just want to explain everything. But first, let me finish this poop. Alright, gang. Welcome to the new house, man. I'm in the front. It's a good morning. It's nice and misty outside today. But yeah, I live in the suburbs now. Well, I've been living in the suburbs for the past 2 years, but come on, welcome in, come on down to the house, man. So I would show y'all the outside, but I showed it on my Instagram. If y'all don't know my Instagram, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram, YoungMike20. But yeah, check out the house, man. This is my door. You know you're in a white place when your door is clear. You can see through it. You understand me? But anyway, come on down and open the door. Oh, get back. It's Toby, he's being bad. Yeah, man, this is my door. And as soon as you walk in, this is what you see, y'all. As soon as I walk in, and you know, my guest restroom is right here, so all my guests can use the restroom. Nice soap. But yeah, right here, man, is my workout room. I'm gonna turn it into a nice workout room, y'all. So like, I'm just gonna, you know, get a pump in when I get a little free time. But you know, I'm going to the gym all the time, so this is just a backup room, just in case like I want to get another pump in. Toby, what's up? You want to say what's up? Alright, so we walk in, man, and this is where I feel like maybe a TV. I don't even know. Maybe not the TV right there. I don't know yet. I don't know. Y'all let me know some ideas. This is my upstairs right here, but we'll get to that right now. This is my second living room. I don't even know. I'll probably put a TV right there, y'all. But as we come down, we got all my cat stuff. Got a chandelier that's small, but it's mighty. Got all the cat stuff. And then you come down this way, and this is where they go poo-poo at, you know. So this is my kitchen, y'all. I finally got an island. I always wanted an island, bruh. I finally got one. And so people could say what they want, you know. I'm not saying this is much, you know, but this is everything I've been needing and wanting. I got the fridge, y'all. The Whirlpool fridge. But wait, we got the microwave to match it, the oven to match it, and we got a Whirlpool stove to match it, y'all. So I like how, you know, everything's Whirlpool. But wait, we got more Whirlpool. So as we come down this room, we got our pantry. My pantry is fucking huge. Look at how much food I could put in here. I could put like so much food for like a zombie apocalypse, you know what I'm saying? All stocked up, bro. Then we come down here and we got my washer and dryer. You know, it's not much. I'm thinking about replacing this because it's a little outdated. But this is the Whirlpool and as you can see, I have clickers. So you're probably wondering what my clickers are for. As you come outside right here. Alright, y'all, this is my 2-car garage. And it has clickers, y'all. So like, I'm moving up in life, man, and you know, this is just the beginning. Of course, I'm gonna be in a mansion, big ass mansions and shit. But here's my garage. But I love this house, man. It's finally a house that I could call my own. And I got my grandma into a house, and she's been in the projects, and she never wanted to leave, and we finally got her into a house, and she loves it. She's gonna be there for a while, and then I finally got me a house now, and I'm gonna be here for a while. I've been had 2 houses, but it wasn't like mine, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't my own house. So now I finally got my own house. But anyway, let's go upstairs. As you can see, we got carpet coming upstairs, bro. So all my people watching this video that come to my house, you gotta take off your carpet. Your carpet. You gotta take off your fucking shoes, bro. We're not in the hood no more. Okay? But as we come upstairs, man, check out the upstairs, bro. So downstairs, that was already someone's whole house. And we come upstairs. We got a big room right here. That's just an open space. I'm probably gonna end up putting like a pool table, food table, hockey table, something right there, bro. Something dope and unique. You come in here, let's go in this room. This room finna be for my nursery. If y'all wanna know why I need a nursery, everybody drop a comment right now explaining why I need a nursery or what you think I need a nursery for. Also, drop a comment if you made it this far already, even though it's the beginning of the video. Drop a real one in the comments. Let's go. All the real ones, where y'all at? Let's see. But anyway, let's come down to this next room right here. And this room is pretty cool. As you can see, it's pretty big, spacious. It's a perfect little room for like, you know, like a regular schmegular person, you know. But we're not done. We have another room right here. Boom. Another room. And, you know, it's just nothing, some slight. Alright, y'all. What we got next is going to be the second restroom. And it comes with the shower. This is where I was taking the poop at, y'all. Got the mirror in the back and stuff. It's pretty nice, you know. I like everything how it's made and set up, bro. So I'm not complaining at all about that. And then we come down, you know. This is going to be my main room. So right here, y'all, I plan on having all my shoes lined up right here. It's gonna look nice, y'all. You gotta see the vision. And then here's my room, the big boy fucking room. There's even more space down there, but just for now, check this shit out, bro. Look at how spacious. Before I show y'all my restroom, look at my closet space, bro. We got fat closet right here. Could put a bunch of stuff. Then you walk down right here, and you got another fucking closet, bro. This is ridiculous. And then you come down here, and you got your big ass restroom, bro. You got your shower, got your tub, got 2 sinks, personal shitter, and obviously another place for all your towels and stuff. So yeah, that's 5 rooms, 3 restrooms, and let's go see the backyard. Let's go show y'all the backyard, man. Toby, you can't go out. And this is my backyard. Check it out, y'all. A trampoline right there, like, it's just crazy, but yeah, check it out, man. This is nice. So without further ado, man, if y'all think that I'm going to get medicated in my house, think again. I don't want to ruin this house, you know. I've smoked za in a lot of houses I've had, and there's a thing called fumigation, And fumigation, it costs a lot of money. And like, it's basically if you smoke a lot in your house and it leaves stains on the walls. It leaves your curtains smelling like za and smoke. Say what's up, Enzo. He's Black Cat, and I know what you're gonna say. I'm racist for saying this, but he's the Black Cat and he's bad, bro. Man, life's great, bro. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now why I'm making this video. You know, usually I don't show my accomplishments like that. Usually I stay humble. But you know, I want to explain something. Like, a lot of people in the world should hear this, you know. I'm gonna get medicated right now. I'm a medical patient. So before y'all judge me on my house and y'all tell me it's not big, or it's not this, it's not that, or if y'all say congratulations, I appreciate both of them, because my house isn't big. It's big for me. It's 3,500 square feet. And where I came from, it's big to me, man. Like, I came from where I stayed with my mom, you know, when I was a kid. And then I stayed with my grandma when I was growing up. So, like, we lived in apartments and stuff, like, all our whole life. And then I finally got some money, and I put my grandma in a house, you understand? She stopped taking the bus because I bought her a Mercedes-Benz. So, like, we've been progressing, you know, and I was paying rent, and and I got my own house. I was paying my rent, and my rent was super high, like $3,500 to $4,500 a month for 2 years. I've been paying that. Now, doing that, man, it kind of, you're making so much money, you just don't give a fuck, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of it, I was kind of noticing, like, my friends would tell me, like, bro, like, you're tripping, you're paying too much. I never really understood what they meant, and I kind of knew I was, but I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? Because before I got a house to rent, I was doing hotels, y'all. Hotels, and hotels were costing me about $100 a day or more. So to pay a certain amount a month, it was kind of easier for me. So I got comfortable. I'm here to tell y'all guys, don't get comfortable, man. Focus on what's best for you. Focus on what's best for you, your family, everything, etc. Because if you don't focus what's best for you, you're going to be just fucking yourself over, okay? So what I ended up doing is I stopped renting those houses so I could stack up some money and have a better future, you understand? So then I fucking been grinding, and I finally got this house. Now, the thing about this is it's a big accomplishment for me, because I grew up in that poverty situation. I was homeless before. And when I say I'm homeless, I'm not here to tell y'all a sad story. It's a good story. It's a good reason that I went homeless, because I wouldn't even be here today doing this. I wouldn't be in this nice house, nice car. My grandma wouldn't be in a nice house or a nice car. So you know what? I'm glad I went fucking homeless. I'm glad I did that, y'all. You want to know why? Because it made me a man. It made me not comfortable. It gave me hunger. Gave me depression. It gave me a reason to go hard. You know? I was homeless, and I was sleeping on the floor. I was sleeping in a closet in like places that you wouldn't even expect, bro. I was literally living on a roof, pissing on the roof, and man, bro, like, that life though, at that time, I didn't think I would be where I'm at right now. And that's the motivation of this all, y'all. You might look at where you're at right now, and you might think, I'll never get there. Or I don't think I'm going to get there. Or maybe I do, but it's going to take a lot of time. I'm here to tell y'all, it might have took me 6 years. But you know what? I didn't give up. I could have easily given up 4 years ago. I could have gave up 2 years ago. I could have gave up last year. But I didn't. I stayed strong. I kept moving, kept doing what I do, kept trying to make something out of nothing. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, that's how you do it, man. No matter what happens, no matter how much life's a roller coaster up and down, bro, no matter how much it goes up or down, you got to remember, you're just in it for the ride, you know? It goes up and down. Life goes up and down for everybody. I don't care how fucking rich you think you is. Life goes up and down. You might be at an up right now. And that don't even mean money. You could have money and still be in a down part of your life. So like what I'm trying to tell y'all is like, life's a roller coaster. And that's not just with money. That's not just with finances. You could literally lose someone you love. Now you're down. Like that's what life's about. You know what I'm saying? It's not just about money. It's about overall. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes you're up, sometimes you're not. And guess what? Me being up, I've done more than all the haters that ever hated on me ever could. So even if I went down, y'all still ain't even did what I did. And I'm gonna be up again, cause life's a roller coaster, like I said. And once I'm up again, y'all still gonna be at not even on the ride, bruh. So don't be a hater. Understand life's a roller coaster, cause people that are hating, they just never even hopped on the ride. They ain't never even been up. They haven't even been on a roller coaster, bruh. So look, don't worry about what no one says to you. Don't worry about nobody but yourself. At the end of the day, this video ain't to flex on anybody. This video ain't to look cool. This video ain't for none of that. I don't even care that my house is so big. Which to me, it's not even that big compared to mansions and stuff. So I'm trying to tell y'all, like, this is literally me versus me. This is me from being homeless to being in the house that I fucking love. That is everything. It's me versus me. You know? I don't care about nobody else. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm just saying that in a way of y'all shouldn't either. If it's not about improving yourself and every single day you're not improving yourself, something needs to change, man. So thank y'all for watching though, man. This was a good video. It was something different. But man, I love it, man. I'm in my city, man, San Antonio, Texas, and I stayed down. I came up in San Antonio. I stayed in San Antonio. I did this, man, and I didn't run away. I didn't go to other cities when I made it. I stayed in my city. I held it down. Y'all know me, man. You know, I'm straight from the tone, so I don't know. It's a beautiful day in the suburbs today. And I just feel like, I don't fucking know. I just feel so happy, y'all. Life's great, you know. Life's good. Riches are coming to me. Opportunities are opening for me. Everything's going so well in my life right now that I had to start doing YouTube again, you know, cause like life could be better, and the grind don't stop. So every day a new video, y'all. Oh, God.